Hi, Mike here. You're watching Scout Restoration Yukon. In this video, I have a look at a future project. It's a Scout 80 travel top with a 152 Comanche engine, a 3-speed transmission, a Dana 20 transfer case, and a Dana 27 front axle. All the original parts are intact. It's still got the original seats. It will need extensive bodywork. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow, over and out. Here it is. I don't know what year it is. I haven't got the line set ticket yet, but it was made in Chicago, Illinois. It's still got the decals, the emblems, I mean. The last time they used it at the campground was 1984 at the Yukon campgrounds. It's a bit camperized. I just ripped out. It had styrofoam glued everywhere inside. But anyway, that's the driver's side wheel, locking hubs, of course. Come around here. I got the hood up. Here's a little look in the engine bay. As you can see, it's got the 152. Looks like pretty well everything's here. You will see another cylinder for the clutch. So it's got a hydraulic clutch linkage. We come around here. This one's quite rusty. Don't know what the floor is like in here until I rip up the styrofoam. Glove box. It's not the original radio. You can see the typical Scout 80. The vacuum motors are up top. On the 800, they're down below. Right. The seats are pretty well trashed, but they are the original bucket seats. And somebody, the previous owner obviously, has installed this heater under the seat, which I'll be taking out. You can see the two heater hoses going to the seat. And no idea what the heater came out of, but it's definitely not an international heater. Attention, fellow Scout enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. I hope that you're getting useful insights from my videos. If I can earn 1,000 subscribers, I will be able to create Scout videos for a long time. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue this journey for years to come. I will show all the details. Over and out. And so the glass is good. I'll be using this glass on my 800. It's the same size glass. And it has these emblems here too, which I'm not familiar with. I'll have to look them up. I don't know if that's some kind of a special package or something. And there's quite a bit of rust. But actually, this rear quarter panel, this end plate, is not too bad. The box is really rusty, to be expected. All rust out along there. Tailgate. I took the tailgate off because I wanted to get the bumper brackets for my other Scout. And this glass is good too. So I'm very happy with that. And these are just some scrap wheels that I had around that I put on it so I could move it. The mirrors are still here, but they're not in very good condition.
Here, if we go inside, the odometer says 15835, 15,835. So, who knows? Dash here. There's a piece of plywood here, so I presume the floor is rusted right out. I have to finish vacuuming. Finish vacuuming out in here. More styrofoam. Gotta rip all that out. The hinges don't seem to be worn out, so for some reason that's tweaked. Or maybe the hinge just needs adjusted. There's emblems on this side too. And here's another view of the engine.
The previous owner put a lot of new parts in this engine and could not get it to start. Now it has been sitting for many years.
Serial number right there.
In conclusion, I'm too busy to restore this Scout. Maybe someday. My next video will be Scout drive shaft restoration. I will show all the details. I hope you like it. If you want to help, please subscribe to Scout Restoration Yukon. It's free. Mike Morrow over and out.